Hello everyone, I wanted to share with you a little winter life hack, and that's if you have this driveway salt in a bucket like this, it can be hard to spread out. If you were just to grab it with a bucket like this and try to spread it, it doesn't spread really evenly. So one way that we can use to make that easier is to move our ice into a preen bottle. And the preen bottle lid has a little spreader, which is a simple shake spreader that you can use for the ice as well.
Driveway salt can come in different sizes, so if you have coarser driveway salt, it could be tougher or at least slower for it to come out of the applicator lid.
We have the salt inside the preen container. And screw on the applicator lid. And with it open, we can just spread it on out. Let me show you. The other benefit to doing this is that you can just keep the preen bottle on your front stoop and no one's going to come over and try to steal it. They're not going to think that you have salt they need. No one's going to want to steal preen in the middle of a snowstorm.